Homework 7, Higher Maths, and we'll go for question 1. What is the equation of the straight line through 0, negative 2, perpendicular to 2y is equal to 3x plus 4? And we've got 4 possible solutions to it that we can choose from. So let's work through this problem here. So it's going through the point 0 minus 2, perpendicular to 2y is equal to 3x plus 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the gradient of this line first and then find the perpendicular gradient to that. Okay, so first of all what I'll do is I'll divide by 2, and that gives me the equation of the line in a different form. From here I can see that the gradient of this line is going to be equal to 3 over 2. Okay, so a perpendicular gradient is perpendicular, will be the fraction flipped over, and all I'll do is change the sign. Reason for that would be, it's since the gradient 1 times gradient 2 is equal to negative 1 for a perpendicular gradient. Okay, so I've got my gradient that I'm going to use and I've got the point, so I'm going to substitute the point 0, negative 2, and I'm going to use the gradient. So my gradient is going to be equal to minus 2, 3, and I'm going to substitute it into the equation of a straight line. Okay, so from there I know that I'm going to use the value of 0 for A, and for B I'm going to use negative 2. So just substituting straight in, y minus minus 2 is equal to the gradient, which is minus 2 upon 3, x minus, and A is 0. So to work this through, I've looked at the answers to the solutions that we've been given. There's no fractions in them, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that fraction here. So I'm going to multiply throughout by 3. So 3y, that's going to be a plus 2 times 3 is going to give me 6, is equal to minus 2x. Looking at the solutions, still don't have one there, but if I move everything over to the left hand side, that should give me one of the possible solutions, equals 0. And the solution that works for that one is going to be solution B, so that's going to be my answer, and that's going to be 2 marks.